No investment. No skills. Earn $1.5 per minute. Assalam Alaikum everyone. How are you all doing? I hope everyone is doing well. As you all know, I keep bringing online earning related videos for you. So, once again I welcome you to my new and easy to follow video of online earning. Before starting the video, let me tell you one thing. I do in-depth research on the topic I create videos about. And if I believe that this thing can benefit my subscribers, so, I share that idea with you all. Don't skip the video because you'll receive tips and tricks from me intermittently throughout. Before starting the video, as always, let me tell you one thing. If you're new to my channel and if you like the video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like the video. Let's move towards our video. Well, friends, in today's video, the website I have brought for all of you allows you to earn $1.5 by working for just 1 minute. What do you need to do in this? You will be given a video, and you need to type what is being said in that video. In other words, you need to transcribe the audio. No, I'm not joking here. You will find live proof in the video. You can imagine how much earning can be generated if you work on this website for just 10 minutes. Considering the current exchange rate of $1 equal to 285 Pakistani rupees, you can earn 2,500 rupees by working for 10 minutes. The name of this website is rev.com. To create an account, you need to enter your name, email address, and password. There is no need to provide a company name. Click Create Account. Your account has been created. The next step is to fill out the application form. Click Become a Freelancer. It appears that rev.com does not accept applications from Pakistan. Here, we will change our location. For that, please add a VPN extension to your Chrome browser. You can see on the screen how you can add a VPN extension to Chrome. While following the steps, you can add it. Create account on VPN. Your VPN account has been created. To activate your account, you will receive an email with a link. Clicking on that link will activate your account. Select your location. I am selecting Canada. Here, you can see that our form has appeared. It is indeed due to changing the location. Select Transcriptionist in Position option. Here, you should select your actual location. Since I am from Pakistan, so I select Pakistan. Click Next. Then click Start Application. Here, you need to fill in a few steps. Here, you should complete the first step by providing your education, work, and experience details. Now we need to provide short answers. I am here seeking help from ChatGPT. If you prefer to fill it yourself, you can go ahead. Otherwise, ChatGPT can help you. Second step is complete now. Let's move towards our last step. Read the form carefully. Then click I agree button. Then submit the application. Your application has been submitted. The approval process for the application may take up to 4 weeks. But friends, don't worry. Once your application gets accepted, you can earn in lakhs like others. Just be patient and wait for the approval. If you like the video, be sure to let me know in the comments. See you in the next interesting video. Take care and goodbye. For now. Allah Hafiz.